The 2026 Samsung Galaxy is here, and once again, Samsung proves why it continues to dominate the global smartphone market. This latest Galaxy device is not just an upgrade, it's a bold statement of innovation, performance, and futuristic design that sets a new benchmark for flagship smartphones in 2026. Starting with the design, the 2026 Samsung Galaxy features an ultra-slim titanium frame combined with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection on both front and back. The phone feels incredibly premium in hand, with curved edges that blend seamlessly into its massive 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The screen delivers stunning 2K resolution, a 144Hz adaptive refresh rate, and peak brightness that makes outdoor visibility crystal clear even under direct sunlight. Watching videos or gaming on this device feels truly immersive. Performance-wise, this Galaxy smartphone is powered by the latest Snapdragon flagship processor, in select markets paired with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. The speed is blazing fast. Multitasking is effortless, heavy games run smoothly at maximum settings, and AI-powered optimizations make the overall experience incredibly fluid. Whether you are editing videos, streaming in 4K, or switching between multiple apps, the 2026 Samsung Galaxy handles everything like a powerhouse. Now let's talk about cameras, because Samsung never disappoints here. The device comes equipped with a revolutionary 200 megapixels primary sensor, enhanced periscope zoom lens with up to 10x optical zoom, and an improved ultra-wide sensor for stunning landscape shots. The AI image processing has reached another level in 2026, delivering sharper details, better dynamic range, and exceptional low-light photography. Night mode photos look brighter and more natural than ever before. The 40 megapixels front camera ensures crystal clear selfies and professional quality video calls. Battery life is equally impressive. With a massive 5,500 mAh battery, the phone easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. It supports ultra-fast wired charging, wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging to power up your earbuds or smartwatch. Within just 25 to 30 minutes, you can get a significant battery boost, making it perfect for busy users. On the software side, the 2026 Samsung Galaxy runs on the latest version of Android with Samsung's One UI interface. The experience is smooth, customizable, and packed with smart AI features that learn your usage habits to improve performance and battery efficiency. Security is also top tier, with an advanced under-display fingerprint sensor and improved facial recognition technology. Overall, the 2026 Samsung Galaxy is a complete flagship package. It offers cutting-edge technology, stunning cameras, incredible performance, and premium design. For anyone looking to upgrade to a powerful and future-ready smartphone in 2026, this device is undoubtedly one of the best choices on the market. Stay tuned to upcoming Smartphones Hub for more exciting smartphone reviews.